Okay, so this one we're going to calculate the mean for our frequency distribution. So here the mean, or the x bar, is equal to the sum of the x's times their frequency, all divided by n. So x represents a data value, f represents the frequency of that data value. So if there was 7 that were 2, you would take 7 times 2 and then add it to whatever else there are in our list. And the sum of x times f represents the sum of all the products obtained by multiplying each data value by its frequency, and n represents the total frequency of the distribution. So here we're supposed to find the mean, or x bar, for the data items in the frequency distribution. And so in order to save space, they've written it horizontally instead of vertically. So no big deal. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take our score, which is our x, times our frequency, and then add it and keep doing that until we have all those together. So we'll have 30 times 3 plus 33 times 4 plus 40 times 4 plus 50 times 1. Now, if we add those together, we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it looks like that's going to be the calculation we have to do. And again, when we do this in our calculator, we'll really have another set of parentheses around here so we can type the whole numerator, then hit divide by 12, and we should get our average, or our x bar. All right, so again, parenthesis. So we had 30 times 3 plus 33 times 4 plus, then we had 40 times 4, and then we had plus 50 times 1, and then we divided that by 12, and we get our x bar is equal to 36. Okay, so here we get 36. And again, this is our frequency distribution. So we've got our values for the data items, and we've got the frequency of each data item, and then we can plug that in and we get our X bar at that point here. Now again, another way to look at this is we've got a 30, a 30, a 30, and then we have a 33, a 33, a 33, a 33, a 40, 40, 40, 40, and a 50. And so you'd have all those, you'd have to add them together. But because we can use this as a frequency distribution, that makes it so we have less stuff we actually have to type into our calculator. All right, so let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.